Morning. I'm gonna go ahead and make a couple videos. One, I want to walk through. I want to go ahead and drive you through the neighborhood before we get in. I can't get in. People are already here. I've been here for about 15 minutes, but not much I can do. So here's the Braodwater and Estate community established in 1991. The community itself has about 60 lots, and only like 55 of them are developed. So they're all, estate homes. The HOA is a huge house right there. Huge house. All these houses are super, super nice. I'm gonna cut off the film while I'm passing this person. So again, these are gorgeous homes. And this is, I think, a lot more, of your style than yesterday. Everything is absolutely beautifully. There's a gorgeous river here that I've always loved. It's called the Tomoka River, and it's extremely scenic. It's everything that you would think of when you think of Florida. I mean, it's got beautiful state park. It's got beautiful, just picturesque palms, picturesque palm trees, picturesque community. That is a very nice house. I would like to have that in my neighborhood. So you have access to the Tomoka River. The HOA is like $1,500 a month, or a year. A year. So I just paused it. With people, I paused it, but here's I think you really will enjoy this community in this area. You're about 10 or 15 minutes from the beach. It's very close. And everything over at the beach, you have everything. You have everything there. I mean, anything that you want, all the shopping. Daytona Beach is very close. If you go north, then you're in Flagler Beach, which is a tiny little beach. And it's, it's kind of like a little beach feel. It's been voted one of the best small beach towns in the country, actually, because it has retained its small town feel, as it were. I mean, it's just a little strip on the beach that has some restaurants and nice kind of place to hang out. I mean, I've had some lacrosse tournaments over here. As a matter of fact, there's a big tournament going on this weekend that I'm not at, unfortunately, but my wife is over there. So I've hung out there. We had some team stuff going on at that beach. But then if you turn to the south, you go to Ormond Beach, Ormond by the sea, which is another little beachy town. And then of course you get into Daytona, which is the big, huge, commercial, everything that you could possibly want, on the beach, including, lots of shopping and, all the commercial wise stuff, slingshots and Ferris wheels and, like a boardwalk type of, down there in Daytona. I mean, and, literally there's a shopping mall, like right by the beach. You can go to the beach, go to the pier, you can go shopping, you can go out to eat. I mean, commercial feel, commercial feel, it's there. And then if you want, a smaller town feel, you can go a little bit north. I mean, so pretty much has it all. I mean, that's really why, I like this area, because it's kind of quiet. and it's beautiful, and there's several communities, you know, around. This is one of the best ones in Ormond Beach, actually. So okay, so that's about what I wanted to show you, just so you have something to be looking at. I'll be back with you shortly. Okay, thanks, bye.